You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these dog breed names. How do you say it? Perro, perro, meaning dog in Spanish. You have to insist on that double R, so really roll your R strongly, or if you can't, just say Perro de Presa Canario. Perro de Presa Canario is how it's said in Spanish, so Perro de Presa Canario. Okay, you got this? Yeah, I'm sure you have. Like this video. If you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.